we are staying in room 453 at the Pacific Lighthouse Hotel. Room 453 is on the 4th floor, and we are coming in. To the left side, we have a very nice area with hangers, one luggage thing, and the bathroom, very nice size counter space, big mirror, and keep going to the left. We have the shower, very nice looking shower, the bathtub, the commode, and then coming out to the main room, we have a door for the adjoining room. So if you have family or friends that are visiting, you guys can request an adjoining room. Here's another mirror. This is a 2 queen bed room, lots of space. To the right, we have a mini fridge right there. Here's a TV. And then there's a chair here, desk, lamp. And I think this is the best part, which is the balcony with the amazing view of the Pacific Ocean. So there is our great view. I believe every room at this hotel has a balcony, and we have a great view of the ocean. Thanks for watching.